Another tutorial guys, another hit song from Parece again. This time the title of the song is Sleep. Kayang-kaya ito i-play kasi 2 chords lang ang ginamit. 2 chords only for the whole song guys. Let's start with the chords and then we'll follow the string pattern. Meron itong bass note na plucking pat ganyan. So start na tayo, chords. Pakita ko muna, dalawa lang buong kanta. 2 chords only for the whole song. So these are the chords, please follow me. So at first, a note of B. And then the sound chord is move at the 7th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here, note of E. Same position of the fingers. Again, B. This is our simple version. Then move at the 7th fret for E. And then for the string pattern, eto naman guys. So the first note for this is bass note. So here, pluck natin tong isa. Fifth string, bass note. Okay? Itong fifth string, pluck. Then isang down, okay? Pluck, down, pluck. Okay? Bass, down, bass, down. And then E, move sa itong 7th fret. Then again, bass, strum. Okay, gets? So, ulit-ulitin lang itong mga chords ito. I'll be a jumper. Bass down. Bass. Then slip. Bass down. Okay? Na 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 na. Bass down. Bass down. Bass down. Bass. Okay? Bass down. Bass down. Okay? Bass down. Bass down. And repeat these 2 chords guys hanggang matapos ang buong kanta. Yan lahat guys, 2 chords lang buong kanta. Ulit-ulitin lang ang mga chords na ito. This is our simple version of how to play this song. Sana may bago kayo natutunan. See you sa mga next na uploads natin guys. Please like this video. Share nyo sa mga gustong makaalam pa ng ibang hit song ni Anes. Nandito muna ang tutorial natin. See you sa mga next na uploads. Bye! I'll be down, na 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 na.